Today we're at Belridge Elementary School, home of the Panthers, and we're here to... All right, we've got some students from Belridge Elementary School, and we're going to work on some sequence of numbers and find a pattern. All right? You guys know what rain is?
Yes.
Who can best describe rain? Oh, you're all good. How would you describe rain?
Rain, it's from the ocean. It comes from the ocean. When the vapor comes, it goes into the clouds and it turns into water.
Okay. What else can we say about rain?
It's water that accumulated into the sky and made clouds, and when it's water that it filled up to a cloud too much and started to rain.
Then precipitates back to the earth, right? Okay. Here, how many of you guys have ever heard of hail? You know what hail is?
Yes.
Well, how does hail form, or what's hail?
I have seen hail, but I have never known how it does it form. But
All right, here, I'm going to read this to you guys, all right? Hailstones do this. They start in a cloud as drops of rainwater. Then they're pushed together in the atmosphere by wind, where they freeze, sometimes several times before eventually falling back to earth. All right, so they go kind of up and down in the atmosphere until they get heavy enough and they come down as hailstones. All right? You guys are going to do a hail sequence. Okay, so write down these numbers. All right? 20. And then you can put a comma or a dash. All right? 10. 5. 16. 8. 4. 2. 1. Okay, now here's the sequence, all right? So you can write down the sequence if you want. If a number is even, divide it by 2. Okay, so on your paper, write even number, divide by 2. Okay, next line, odd number, times by 3, and add 1. Okay, so let's take a look at the sequence. What was the first number we had?
20.
20. Is that even or odd?
Even.
If it's an even number, what do we do?
We
Divide it by 2. If we take 20 and divide it by 2, what do we get?
10.
10. Isn't that our next number?
Yeah.
Okay, now if it's an even number, what do we do?
we
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. And what do we get?
5.
it's 5.
Isn't 5 the next number?
Yes.
Okay, if it's an odd number now, what do we do?
Multiply by 3, then add 1.
Multiply by 3. 3 times 5 is?
15.
Add 1? 16. It's an even number. What do we do?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. We get
8.
8. It's an even number. What do we do?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. We get 4.
Yes.
It's an even number?
Yes.
What do we do?
Divided by 2.
Divide by 2. And what do you get?
2.
It's still an even number. What do we do?
Divided by
2.
Divided by 2. What do we get?
1.
We're all the way down to 1. All right? I want you to pick a number, all right, between 12 and 30 and write it on your paper. So start over on the left-hand side. So write a number between 12 and 30. Okay? Write down any number. You've got 3 more seconds to do it. 1, 2, 3. Now, I want you to do the hail sequence, the hailstone sequence, all right? So, your number is 30. So what do you have to do if it's an even number?
Divided by 2.
Then do it and keep going. You have 30 also? 26, ooh, good. Odd number, 25, 25. A lot of 30s and 25s. All right. Now, if you have 25, what are you supposed to do? It's an odd number.
Times it by 3 and add 1.
Times it by 3 and add 1. So what's 25 times 3?
25 times 3.
75 and add 1,
76.
76. So your next number is 76. All right? So keep going. Everybody's got their own thing. Let's see who can get to 1 by doing the hailstone sequence. So keep working. Some of you are going to take a little bit of time, but that is working with a sequence, the hailstone sequence, with students at Belridge Elementary School.
wear this shirt for I want to film. I want to film.